All right. In today's session, I just wanted to go through, the human microbiome, how it affects our health and wellness, and also talk a little bit about the different vantage points through which you can view the human microbiome and how those different vantage points actually affect the way we can treat the microbiome itself. Just running through the basics so that if anybody doesn't know what the microbiome is, we can get a quick glance of what it is and how it affects us. So the microbiome is predominantly, talked about with respect to the gut microbiome. But we also, there's a lot of work and research that's been done on the oral microbiome, the skin microbiome, and several other parts of the body. The entire collective is known as the human microbiome or the microbiota. So our body has over 100 trillion microbes, and the sheer number itself is, it's more than probably 10 times the number of human cells in our body. This number influences our health and wellness in a big way. 95% of these microbes are actually located in our gut, which is why the gut microbiome has played such a huge and significant role in microbiome research, as well as in the research of disease, the causation of disease and how to cure it as well. So if you just took the microbes from the gut and you weighed them, that'll be that itself would be around 2 kg. So that's the significance of how large the microbiome is. Saying all this, the microbiome of an individual is very unique. It's almost like a fingerprint. Not that it's permanent. It's transient. It changes over time, and as it changes over time, the fingerprint also changes